The rubber pin is installed between your tool's armature bearing and the housing. The pin secures the bearing so the outer race doesn't spin, but still allows for enough slack so the bearing can be easily removed. If the bearing seizes, the pin can be damaged. Replacing the rubber pin is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brushes from the motor. Now remove the screws that secure the gearbox to the motor. And I'll separate the two halves. Now I'll separate the armature from the gearbox. With the armature removed, I have access to the rubber pin. I'll use a pick to remove it. And I'll install the new pin. Now I can reinstall the armature to the gearbox and assemble the armature and gearbox assembly back into the motor housing. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the brushes. And that's how you can replace the rubber pin in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up